Welcome. The child stubborns towards the toys has been described in the poem Kilona. Rich or poor, the tender heart of all the children's like toys. The toy which the child does not have, he insists on getting it. A poor mother's son insists on taking the expensive toy that a baby prince is playing with. Mother tried to calm him. On the other hand, the baby prince liked the clay toys which the poor boy was playing. Desperate to have the toy of his choice, even the prince, even the prince have the choice. The baby prince throw away all of his valuable toys. So let's come to the poems. To go to the lesson poems, we first see the questions. क्या आप कभी मेले में गए थे? मेले मेले means fair or festival. So have you ever visited festivals? आपको मेले में क्या क्या देखने को मिलता है? What you have to see on, what you see on the festivals. और आप किन किन चीजों की जिद माता से करते हैं? जिद करना means insist, that means compel. What things you compel? What things you compel your parents? As a child, you may compel the toys, buying toys. So this poem also be describe the toys about. So the poem first lines. मैं तो यही खिलौना लूंगा, मचल गया टीना का लाल. I will buy this toy. लूंगा means take or buy. I will take this toy. मचल गया, the child is flinch or get upset or compel. The Tina means poor, Lal means a child, a boy, a boy. So the boy is get upset. I will take this toy. खेल रहा था जिसको लेकर राजकुमार उछल. So which toys the prince played with? Rajkumar means prince. पीड़ित हो उठी बेचारी माँ. So the helpless, the unlucky mother is distressed. व्यथित हो उठी माँ बेचारी माँ व्यथित हो उठी. वह तो स्वर्ण निर्मित था. It's made up of gold. The toy is made up of gold. That means color gold coated. खेल इसी तो लाल नहीं है, राज के घर भी यही तो. सो राज के घर भी लाल इसी से खेल नहीं. That means the house, the prince house. The prince also not play with this kind of games, toys. So this is the two stanza describe the poor child. Now let's go to see the prince. What is the prince mentalities? मैं तो वही खिलौना लूंगा, मचल गया शिशु राजकुमार. The child prince is also getting upset. I will take that toys. वह बालक पूछ कर रहा था पद में जिसको बारंबार. So he often repeat the same statement. I will take that toys. वही तो मिट्टी का ही होगा, खेलो तुम तो सोना से. So the servants reply, this was made up of clay. You will play with the gold toys. दौड़ पड़े सब दास दासियों राजपुत्र के रोने से. So all the das dasyam means servants. So all the servants are rushed to calm down the prince. So this is a poems and the child attitudes. So now come to the book exercise of this lesson. First once we read the word meanings. Machal. Machal means clone, murmuring, like that. Yedit. Yedit, test. Distressed. Swarna Nirmit. Swarna Nirmit, made of gold. Pad. Bay. Path. The way of approach. That way. Not only the path, the way of approach. Bhakati. Misrepresentation. That means I was or compromise these things. Parambar. Param for frequently, often. Repeat. Ubahar. Ubahar, gift. Pooch karna, fondle. Affectionate. बच्चा क्या लेने की जिद कर रहा है. जिद करना means strong determines. What the child determined, strongly determined to take. He take off the toys. Khilona, toys, mitai. Mitai means you know sweet. And pichkari, kapade. Kapade means cloth. Pichkari means something. Gudda kiska banata. What the toys made up of? Gudda. Gudda means toys, we already know. Now come to the next page, question answer. So there is no place, so I am come to the oral questions. Here, मिट्टी में खिलौना किसने फेंक दिया? फेंकना, फेंक देना means throw away. Who throw away the toys on soil? Who? खिलौना, toys, मिट्टी, soil. So करीब मान के बेटे ने खिलौना मिट्टी में फेंक दिया. So who instead of the who you write it करीब मान के बेटे is only the answer word for the first question. Now come to the second question. माँ ने बालक को मिट्टी के खिलौनों से ही खेलने के लिए क्यों कहा? Why did the mother asked the child to play only with the soil? Play toys. Only with the clay toys. Because he want to provide only the clay toys. माँ बालक को मिट्टी का ही खिलौना दिला सकती है. He can able to buy. He can provide only the soil clay toys. इसलिए उसने उसे मिट्टी के खिलौनों से ही खेलने के लिए कहा. So that's why she asked his child to play with the clay toys. Next one. मां ने व्यथित होने का कारण क्या था? व्यथित, distressed, disappointed. What is the reason the mother get distressed, disappointed? बालक राजकुमार के खिलौना को पाने की जिद कर रहा था. बालक, the child is insists to get toys which play the prince, which the prince playing. Balak child is insists to get the toys which the prince plays. करीब माँ उसे इतने मूल्यवान खिलौना, valuable toys खिलौना में असमर्थ गई, impossible. The mother is impossible to provide such a valuable toys. इसलिए वह दुखी हो गई थी. That's why she disappointed or sad. Next question. बिना कलर किस खिलौना को लेने के लिए मचल रहा था? मचल रहा means compel or insist. Compel or insist. What toys the poor boy is compelled to take. मीना का लाल सोने के बने उस खिलौना को लेने के लिए मचल रहा था. The poor boy is insist to get the toys which are made up of gold. Sone. Sone means gold. The sone verb means sleep. That also you remember, keep on remember. Sone verb means sleep. The noun means gold. किस प्रकार करेंगे? In case your friend can't able to pay the school fees, how do you help? Sadi means friend. Friend. Madad means help. So how do you help? मैं अपने अन्य मित्रों से उस विषय में चर्चा करूंगा. I will discuss. चर्चा, discuss. I will discuss with my friends. हम सब प्रधानाचार्य जी से मिलकर समस्या का समाधान करने का विनती करेंगे. विनती, request. We all go together meet a principal to request to solve these problems. यदि उन्होंने कोई समाधान नहीं निकाला, if they not give any solution, समाधान नहीं निकाला, समाधान निकाला means solution. If they not find any solution, हम सब मिलकर अपने साथी की आर्थिक मदद करेंगे. We all friends together try to help his financial. Finance or economic support. मदद means help, you know. So आर्थिक मदद करेंगे. We will all the friends together support him economically. Next oral question, just now we see that. So next page, this choose the correct meaning of the homonyms. Anil, Anal. Anil means Hava. Hava means air, you know. Air. Anal means Ag, fire. Ag, fire. Here is a Ag. Hava. Next, Grah. Grah means planet. Planet. Here is the Nakshatra. So Nakshatra is a answer. Next one is right in a means Hindi. Soil, you know, mitti. Home, Gar. Here you write in your mother tongue. Prince Rajkumar. I, Khilona or Buddha.